Ganesh, tell us about what you're building as well. It's about bridging the linguistic and digital divide. Conversational AI, how does that shape up? What was the vision? What are you seeing with it?
Yeah, so as I mentioned before, the fundamental goal that we set out was, how do we bridge the digital divide, right? And how do you make that happen to reach Bharat, as I mentioned, in the easiest possible manner, right? Voice has always been, the best channel to reach Indians or rather anybody in Bharat, irrespective of the place that he's from, the language he speaks, or his background. And what we have seen is when we reach Bharat at scale, that's when all the fun starts. Every brand in the country, every government institution would love to reach Bharat, right? And having a conversational ability to reach Bharat is the biggest opportunity for our country, right? We've seen some amazing scale in the recent past. I mean, recently we were involved, in a government project where we reached close to, a few crore people in the matter of a few days, right? There's about 20 crore people in the matter of a month, right? And having a conversation with them and trying to understand what their problems are and how we solve them, right? So what this really means is that you need to build systems that are homegrown, that solve these problems at scale in terms of the specific unique problems that India has. If you look at us Indians, we at a time typically speak 2 or 3 languages at a time, right? I'm from a place in Mumbai called Chembur, right? So I typically intersperse my conversation with Hindi, Tamil, and Marathi, right? And a few English words in between, right? And that's true for a lot of Indians. So the kind of unique challenges that are thrown when you solve problems for India is very different. Secondly, noise environments. The kind of noise environments that we see in Bharat are very, very different. Imagine having a speech system that works when you're sitting in an auto rickshaw that's right next to a motorcycle. And right next to the motorcycle is often, a bus which is just honking at the, highest possible volume, right? And your speech systems need to work for that. So the kind of challenges that you have in India are very different. But the best part is that if you solve for these challenges, then you are going to be able to solve for any problem anywhere else in the world, right? So these are opportunities, but let's get that straight. If you are going to reach Bharat, the kind of opportunities that you open up are quite incredible. And you will see that beyond corporates, beyond governments, it's going to start to impact communities. So for example, we were involved in a project for UP State where we were helping to try to improve the infant mortality rate. This is one of the biggest embarrassments for us as educated folks in the country, right? And we worked with an NGO that said, hey, the problem here is all about, information gaps, right? So we built a voice assistant that talked to mothers in the first 1,000 days and, helped to resolve their problems at the same time, help them with reminders, help them with the right communication that bridges the gap. It's all a work in progress, but you're going to see amazing innovations that are going to impact not only corporates, but real India and real impact.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.